So my youngest daughter gave me a gift. And when I opened it, to my surprise, it was a little cute little itty bitty refrigerator. I never seen one so small because I already have a small floor refrigerator for my office, and I needed this for my product supply room. I keep all of my product and my business equipment in there, and so I needed a space to store my oat milk for when I make my oat milk and honey soaps, because I don't like keeping it in my regular refrigerator. Each and every order, Oils and Bars order, I treat like a gift. I wrap it up with love. I pack it with love. First class shipping starts at $3.50. Priority is a little more because you get insurance included with that. And so, thank you to everyone across the U.S. that took a chance out on me and supported. Shop oilsandbars.com today.